Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Monday morning. Prices overnight are about unchanged. We saw both sides of up and down overnight. I think the market's trying to decide between last week's demand news and the talk about as we get closer to the November 8th crop report that the U.S. corn and soybean supply is growing. As far as other news, we'll be watching export inspections today, export sales this week, both this for last week and 2 weeks ago, see what the demand numbers are. We heard talk last week that China was looking to buy some U.S. beans. They may have bought a little bit of U.S. soybean oil. They may have bought some wheat from the U.S. and Australia. And they might even be looking for corn at these price levels. And so that's kind of supportive to prices. Other than that, here in Chicago today, there's all the USDA top officials at their annual data meeting, and we'll see what kind of questions they're asked about not only their data, but also what happened in the shutdown and what's going to happen in this November 8th crop report. As far as weather is concerned, here in the United States, we're cold. Got a few chances of some showers around, but we're estimating that soybean harvest is about 60% done and corn is about 40% done. That's a little bit behind average and quite a bit behind last year, but we hope that we got to pick up the pace a little bit in the next couple of weeks. Down in Brazil, the weather's good. They've got about 18% of their soybean crop planted. This is a little bit above last year and average. And in Argentina, it's still dry, but the long-range forecast calls for better rains, and they're just kind of getting started on some of their planting conditions. So overall, prices unchanged overnight. We're starving for data from USDA from the shutdown, and everybody's kind of focusing on that November 8th crop report to give us a little bit better idea of how much supply is out there. U.S. farmers still talking about big corn yields and soybean yields a little bit better than expected. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.